is called, what is that called, friends? You remember? Turkey dinner. Turkey dance, right?
I know how to do that.
Okay, put your hands on your hips. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm a little turkey, black and white. Feet on the bottom, wings on the side. When I walk, I wobble to and fro. Hear me gobble, and then we go. Ready? Gobble, 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 gobble. The farmer's coming. Go for it. Go. Gobble, 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 gobble. Go. Good job. That's right. You're looking for the house. Okay, ready for the second one? It's going to be the turkey trot. Ready?
Turkey trot.
Step it to the left. Step it to the right. Flap your wings. Jump up. Spin around. Touch the ground. Gobble out loud. Switch your tail. Turn around. And take a bow. Yay!